Lihlehliselwe umhlazi 11 kuNhlaba icala lokukhwabanisa nenkohlakalo elibhekene naloyo owayengamele ezempilo eEastern Cape uSindiswa Gomba yilungu leNCOP uZukiswa Ncinta usihlalo weANC esifundeni uPhumlani Mkolo ululeka Simon owayengusomlomo kaMasipala iBuffalo City kanye nabayishiyagalombili abasolwa nabo.
Sibulise kune studio kunye nakubaphulaphula emakhaya icala limisule umhla we-11th kaMeyi nalapho wonke abahanela bebevelile namhlanje kuquka khona ulo wayesayokuba ngumphathisa wezempilo apha ephondweni umama uSindiswa Gomba. Ecaleni kwam naye othethela iHawks kuzwelonke uKatlego Mogale. Sibulise kuwe, ingaba isigqibo sokuba kuyiwe High Court sivele kuphi?
The High Court decision was taken by the NPA in relation to the magnitude of the case that we are investigating and the monies involved.
Ingaba nizimisele kangakanani na ukuba izoba impumelelo utshutshiso lwababuhanelo?
As you can remember, the case was previously withdrawn, which gave our investigators a chance to cross all the T's and dot all the I's and ensure that this case is watertight.
Singalindela sisubana kuphinde kufakwe abanye abantu babengabahanela kweli cala.
We are not going to rule out that possibility because an investigation in its nature has a way of including other people even though they were not initially included in the opening of the case or the initial investigation.
Sibulela kakhulu ngexesha lakho. Lowo nguKatlego Mogale othethela iHawks kuzwelonke esithi noko ba confident kuba elicala lizoba kuba impumelelo. Sizithathe izindambo sizibuyisele kune studio.